Living in Redington Beach, Florida, means embracing coastal beauty, warm breezes, ocean views, and sunshine year-round. But as every homeowner knows, coastal living also comes with a seasonal challenge: hurricane and storm preparedness. With high winds, flying debris, and torrential rains, protecting your home during Florida's storm season is essential. One of the best ways to safeguard your property is by installing impact-resistant windows. These specialized windows offer more than just storm protection. They provide year-round safety, energy efficiency, and peace of mind. Here's why impact-resistant windows are a smart and essential investment for Redington Beach homeowners. What are impact-resistant windows? Impact-resistant windows, also known as hurricane or storm windows, are built to withstand the extreme pressures and debris impacts caused by tropical storms and hurricanes. Unlike traditional glass, which shatters into dangerous shards, impact glass is laminated and reinforced to stay intact even when struck by high-speed debris. These windows typically feature 2 layers of glass bonded with a clear interlayer of polyvinyl butyryl (PVB) or ethylene vinyl acetate (EVA). Heavy-duty frames made from materials like aluminum, vinyl, or fiberglass for strength and durability. Secure locking systems to keep the window sealed and resistant to pressure changes. When installed correctly, impact-resistant windows can protect your Redington Beach home from both windborne debris and water intrusion, helping to prevent major damage during storm season. Protection against flying debris and wind pressure during hurricanes. Strong winds can turn ordinary objects, like tree branches, roof tiles, or patio furniture, into dangerous projectiles. Standard windows are highly vulnerable to such impacts, which can lead to broken glass, property damage, and dangerous conditions inside your home. Impact-resistant windows are designed to absorb and disperse the force of impact without shattering. Even if the glass cracks, the inner laminate layer keeps it intact, maintaining a barrier between your home and the elements. This protection is crucial not just for safety but also for structural integrity. When a window breaks during a storm, air pressure can enter your home, increasing the risk of roof and wall failure. By staying sealed, impact-resistant windows help maintain your home's stability and protect your family. Moisture and water damage prevention in Redington Beach. Salt air, humidity, and rain can be as damaging as high winds. Once a window breaks, water can quickly seep into your home, leading to mold growth, structural rot, and interior damage. Impact-resistant windows are built with tight seals and weatherproof frames, offering an additional layer of defense against moisture intrusion. This protection keeps your home dry and reduces costly post-storm repairs, an invaluable advantage during Florida's rainy months. Year-round benefits beyond storm season. While impact-resistant windows are a must-have during hurricane season, they provide significant benefits all year long. Energy efficiency. The same laminated glass that keeps storms out also helps insulate your home, reducing heat transfer and lowering cooling costs in Redington Beach's hot climate. Noise reduction. Impact glass naturally dampens outside noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful home environment. UV protection. These windows block harmful ultraviolet rays, helping to prevent fading on furniture, flooring, and artwork. Enhanced security. Impact-resistant windows make it more difficult for intruders to break in, adding an extra layer of home security. In short, investing in these windows protects not just against storms, but against heat, noise, and everyday wear and tear. Professional installation. The key to lasting protection. Even the strongest impact-resistant windows can't perform their best without professional installation. Expert installers ensure your windows are anchored properly, sealed against water intrusion, and compliant with local building codes designed for coastal regions. Professional installation guarantees a tight, weatherproof fit and helps maintain your product warranty, giving you complete peace of mind that your investment will stand up to Florida's toughest conditions. Final thoughts. When storm season arrives in Redington Beach, preparation is everything, and impact-resistant windows are your home's first line of defense. They not only shield your property from wind and debris but also improve comfort, efficiency, and security throughout the year. By choosing impact-resistant windows and having them installed by professionals, you're protecting your home, your belongings, and your family's safety, all while adding long-term value to your property. In Florida's unpredictable coastal climate, this is one upgrade that pays for itself many times over.